Rick Owens be the tag through the digital dash. Yeah, I'm boasting up the bag. Please don't touch my raps. These are Ricks though. What's up, fam? Out here with a new video. We are going to be doing a quick unboxing review on the newest pickup I got. Just wanted to share this one with you guys. It's going to be on a pair of Rick Owens Geobaskets. It's not the original colorway, which I wish I had, which the black and white one. I actually really wanted the cream ones, but I found this one in particular super cheap, hella deal, so I had to pick it up. And yeah, let's just get into it. All right, so starting from the top of the box, you get Rick Owens written right here, just that gray box, and then you get a sticker tag from wherever you get it from, the size and blah blah blah, price tag and whatever. Is opening the box, honestly, I did not think I would find another box that is harder to open than a Yeezy 750 box, but I did. And it's just as terrible when closing it, because when you close a big box like this, air gets stuck inside it, so it pushes it out, and it's basically fighting and forcing it, the air is forcing its way out. So it's like a combustion, kind of like a motor, pistons and stuff, just pushing air. And it's kind of irritating, but I'm starting to think this is where Yeezy got the whole inspiration for this box, because they are super similar. First thing you get though when you open the box is a Rick Owens tote bag. Check that out, nice piece. This is dope. Let me just... At first I thought it was just a plain bag. On the front side, if you can see, in many little embroidery, it says Rick Owens. Nothing else in the back. No tags or anything inside too, so it's just a plain simple bag. It's cool, man. So that's super different, because you usually get a dust bag, but this is really a tote bag. Like, I think you can personally use it for like shopping and other stuff, but that is Rick Owens dust bag. Moving in more, I got extra laces in the black colorway. You got the Rick Owens envelope. You get this a lot from like high-end designer brands. They always give this information about the shoe, hoping you like it. Pause the vid and you can read it yourself. Moving on to the main attraction of the video is the Geobaskets itself. You do have tissue paper just to secure the shoes inside the box, Let's take out the shoes. I already lost the receipt for this purchase. Like, I don't know where it went, but I won't need it. And here are the shoes. Let's get up close and personal for some detailed looks. These are the Geobaskets. You got the left pair and the right pair right here. The more I look at them, the more I could see a Yeezy 750. Like, I really think the Geobaskets had a big impact and inspiration on the Yeezy 750s. Getting into the shoe though, first thing you'll notice, of course, is the exaggerated tongue, but we'll get into that later. Let's start off with like the basic stuff. Black gum olive colorway. Bottom sole, this is how it looked like, just that gum sole. If you look closely, there is Rick Owens right here, right there. Yeah. Midsole, you got just a plain look too. One thing you'll notice though is that they got stitchings on the midsole. Check that out, that's pretty cool. Goes from like mid shoe on the left side all the way to the front toe box, then mid shoe on the inner side. On the outer side of the Geobasket, you got nice detailed stitching going on right here for design. Look at that. Dang, that is nice. Going to the back, you got ribs for your ankle part, above the ankle part. And going to the inner side, you have a zipper, which I believe, did some research, is YKK. Doesn't say on it though. It does not say YKK on top. It's just a clear zipper, but from what I heard, it is YKK. The stitching before used to actually look like a Nike check. Low-key kind of different, but if you don't know about that, long story short, Nike got mad. They got into a feud and Nike won, so they had to change it up, and it came out with this triangle stitching design pattern kind of thing going on both sides of the shoe. So going into the inner part of the shoe, you got a code right here, right behind the zipper. Don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like a authenticity code or the style number, but you get a code right behind the zipper. And then on the toe box, you have perforated holes. And then right above that, you got the green laces. Yeah, so this is the other colorway of laces I got. It's with the shoes. It's olive laces in that suede material. Check that out. Alright, so going to like the most noticeable part of the shoe, the exaggerated, elongated, oversized tongue. It's so dope. This is what makes the shoe though, really. This is like the most unique part of the shoe. Just look at that. On top of the tongue, you do have like a tech wear kind of material right at the top. It's like a belt, put it that way, but it's stitched on pretty well, pretty good. And then behind the tongue, you got the designer himself, Rick Owens, a little silhouette. Check that out. It is on both sides of the shoe, so let me just move on to this shoe just to make sure y'all get the feels of both sides. And then going inside of the shoe though, it's really plain and basic, man. If you look inside, you do get Rick Owens right there, if y'all can catch that. I don't see any size tag. Is that it right there? Yeah, I don't see no size tag, but there is a terry cloth like material right at the heel part so your foot can slip in easily. I don't know if you can see that. It's right here. It's soft, man. super soft. But yeah, that's just to help your foot slip and slide easier into the shoe. There is no shoe size tag or like made in Italy, blah blah blah. But you know, yeah, these shoes are made in Italy. Yeah, they don't have that anywhere inside the shoe, just this is basically the only thing inside, and the Rick Owens in the insole, and this little tactical belt looking thing right at the top of the tongue. But if you're on the front of the shoe, you do have this little square right here, but that's basically what it is. And the inside, it's Rick Owens. Other small details like the small shark tooth mountain climbing kind of sole, if you can see that, it's pretty cool, man. I like that. It is a pretty wide sole, so I think it does give like an inch and a quarter of height when wearing these. But yeah, other than that, that's it, man. The inside, you got some leather. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that though. They got leather interior. Check that out. Besides the whole terry cloth. Oh, these smell, ooh, wow. These smell wonderful, man. Yeah, man. That's basically it. Overall, I'm super stoked on this pickup. Go ahead and follow me on IG if you want to see it on feet or with a fit. You know, I'm sorry it's a quick video. Just wanted to share this pickup with you guys because like this is basically some people's grails. I wouldn't say it's mine, but definitely something that you gotta have in your collection if you're a shoe collector or a fashion enthusiast, or if you just like to wear unique things. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. More content coming soon. I do have Travis Scott merch coming on the way, so we just waiting on that. Then as soon as I get it, I'll bang out a video real quick for that. And yeah, again, if this was entertaining for you guys, go ahead, subscribe, leave a like, comment what you feel about it, what you think about it. If you need any questions, I'm gonna answer it. That's basically all I got for you guys. Go ahead and enjoy this B-roll footage. Enjoy yourselves and don't work too hard, fam. Peace.